ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೈವ ಬಂದೈತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಸೋಯಾಬೀನ್. ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾನ್ರಿ,
ನನಗೊಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾನ.
ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಮ್.
ಮತ್ತದು
7 acre agriculture land. Let us talk. Namaste everyone. This is called soybean. Recently Prime Minister Narendra Modi has increased the MSP rate of the soybean. These are all the people who are engaged in the harvesting of the soybean season, and you can see here how to plug up the soybean. This is soybean. This much hard work one farmer has to do with while harvesting the soybean. So you can see the soybean field here. It is around 1.5 acre. You can see that one. This already has been harvested, and after that the machine will take care of all the activities. These are the people engaged in the agricultural. His age is 19 years. He has been also working in industry for 10,000 rupees. He has completed ITA, but he has a farmer and he has an acre of 7 acre agricultural land. Let us talk with Kallappa Manjari today something about. He don't know English, that's why to talk in.
he's earning 400 per day, and he's also working in industry for 10,000 per month. He has 7 acre agricultural land.
ದಿನ ಒಂದು 5 ಎಕರೆ ಕಿರ್ತೀರಾ, 3 ಎಕರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ
Can see the struggle
ಇದು
they
ವರ್ಕ್
are
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೀವು ಐಟಮ್
struggling.
ನೋಡಿ. He is an educational student and he has been also working in agriculture. So please support the agricultural farmers so that they can also be a good they can also lead a good life. This is
You can see how they are engaged in harvesting of the soybean. Women and men are whispering themselves and criticizing the government for increasing the MSP. And the weed has grown so much so that they are struggling to harvest the soybean here. See how they are whispering again, among themselves. They have to complete it by today.
Farmers are taking rest after harvesting the soybean at after
They are talking, it is a break. They are talking among themselves that they have to complete it today like this. The rain may come so that we have to complete it by today. And it has to be consolidated.
ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬನ್ನಿ
You
ರೆಡಿ
can see
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
how the farmer
ಯಾವ ಥರ ರೆಡಿ
is
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತ.
making banvi. It is called banvi in Kannada.
ಬನ್ನಿ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬರ್ರಿ ಕೇಳಿ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತ.
Upon this, the soybean has to be arranged so that it will look like a triangle. I will show you later. See the struggle the farmers are taking.
He is also a farmer. His age is more than 50 years and he is working in the harvesting the soybean. He is plugging up the soybean. You can see here. You're not Kannada matter, you don't know English. That's why I will be asking in the Kannada. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಿಂದ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಮಂದಿರ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ದಿನ ಸೆವೆನ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ.
He is shying to talk.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಮ್ಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ದನ ಡೈರಿನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅಕ್ರಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತ್ರಾಸ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 50 ಮೇಲೆ ವಯಸ್ಸು. ತ್ರಾಸ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಪಗಾರ? 400 ತ್ರಾಸ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ದಿನ. So he is telling that he is struggling very too much here. That's why he is earning 400 rupees daily. And he has came today to field at around 7 a.m. and it is around 11 a.m. now. Till 5 p.m. he is working here. He will be working here. So please like and share जरूर करें. हमारा फार्मर भी ग्रो हो जाए. धन्यवाद. Right, that farmers can easily see. This is today only I am working here.
Okay, now let us go to the lunch. The women and men farmers are taking. Women are taking their lunch. Once men farmers had lunch, they are making fun among themselves. That is entertaining themselves with the fun and jokes. You can see how they are joking again among themselves.
ಮತ್ತದು
Fund will encourage the farmers with a more energy in the field and again go to the farm field. See here how he is making fun with him. It will encourage the farmers and boost the farmers mentally. Again, they will come to the field and start working. You can hear the noise how they are working. See here.
It is so hard.
It's struggle.
Farmers working very steady. So you can see here, it's heavy rain causing the stress of the soil.
The day look like rain will come, so they are making urgent to consolidate it. See how
This is how the soybean has been consolidated, and the farmer is working working here, and you can see him like he can make this one like a triangle.
oh suddenly rain has arrived and the farmers are want to take shelter, and below the bunway they are taking shelter and protecting themselves from the rain. You can see here how they are wandering up themselves. See, too much rain has came. See how he is tying the rope so that it cannot answer. See, the field has wet now. They cannot work after that. So I will make a video again. So thank you.
Future videos for more informative videos, so that you can also join with me and help the farmers to grow and lead a wealthy life. I hope that you will watch my future videos also for the next something informative one. Thank you for watching the video until the end, and I hope you will with me, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.